Would you look at that? Come on, little buddy. It'll be okay. We're gonna get you out of there. It just feels good to rub them.
You know, I can see that.
All right, fellas, headed off to Mexico. I heard there's a car up there that sitting in a barn feeling all lonely and dirty. So we're gonna go see if we can get her cleaned up. All right, we've been on the road for a while now. We're actually driving up toward Joplin here. I want to flip the camera around so you guys can see. I don't know if you ever watched the show Trick My Truck, but the big truck stop that they always pick the trucks up is right here, the Petro. And then their shop building is just off Highway 43 up here. It's called the Chrome Shop Mafia. Yeah, back in here. Oh yeah, this is what you like up here. All corn and farmland. Yep. Soybeans out here, I believe. Little things I should have said. Well, here we are. We've made it to our final destination, an undisclosed location here, just a friend, and got this old Chevelle back here, 1970 Super Sport. Originally had a big block and a 4-speed in it. Wasn't a numbers matching car, but still a cool car. It is a real Super Sport. So this car, I think I got it in 2010, and somebody had started on it, but poor start. They replaced the outer quarter skins and just kind of barely tacked some rusty outer wheel houses in there. So we all know that's not going to last. So we fixed that, put some pieces in the trunk, piece of the floor of the car. We didn't need the whole thing. Did a few other different repairs on it. Don't have any real videos. I have maybe 5 or 6 pictures. Like back in the day, I just didn't take pictures of stuff as I was doing it. So now I video every single thing I do. Yeah, just different time, I guess. But anyway, let's get this thing outside where we can look at it and see what we got. Would you look at that? Come on, little buddy. It'll be okay. We're gonna get you out of there. Yuck. So.
Done.
That's finished.
Done, finished.
Headed back.
The hose is bad at the farm where he ran over it, he said. It's got a squished end. However,
all right.
I've got a hose I forgot in my...
See if we can get some paint out of these cans. Telling you guys, sometimes you gotta like slow down, embrace the moment, enjoy the nice weather, let off a little steam. You guys know what's going to happen. Man, thing it must just be dirty inside. There's the dot. In this one, the dot is not very strong. All right. I don't know how many more I have in here before I'm gonna start missing. So I haven't missed yet, and that's kind of a.
Me either, right in left.
Yeah, right. Or left. Move it. With the hood open?
Yeah. I was just going to get the front first.
Sure. it marinate for a minute with a little water.
Feels
Just
probably
all black.
accents in it of some sort.
Right. So big stuff all washed off. Gonna let the stuff marinate on the top. There's some, I don't know, I call it fly poop on it. So we'll have to give it a little scrub with some soap, I suppose.
I always
Yep.
tell
Cheapest stuff O'Reilly's has, but it's got purple power in it. Let's see if it'll clean stuff up. Looks like. It just feels good to rub them.
you know, I can see that. Got another one there.
Cut and buff paint, nothing's better.
Is that the only one of them in there?
No, there's more on your stool in there, right beside the door. Never.
Can I join the party?
You sure can.
Thank you, sir.
You'll accelerate the process, I'm sure.
Oh yes, Ethel.
Yes, darn.
It does feel good.
Right.
It does feel good. How long ago did this car, Butch and I were talking about this last night.
Okay, did you figure it out?
How long ago did we paint this? 2012?
Uh-huh. 2012. When Hogshooter Hotrods was just beginning as a small idea. Had amongst a few people. And then everybody left and I ended up being Hogshooter, and that's just the way it's been. So I take this, I throw that dude up there and rinse that thing off on the car, because you're rubbing off a lot of dirt there. Yeah, like little power wash, knock the big stuff off, try to knock some soap suds on it, and then lightly scrub, rinse it, go back, scrub it again, rinse it. Waiting on it to dry. I don't really want to dry it with a towel or anything because it's still really dirty paint and it's black. So we're going to just keep that to a minimum, the touch, and see if we need to wash it again. If we like it, we can throw some one-step like detailer on there and wipe it down with it. So I think we're looking pretty good. But all right, so you can kind of see a little better picture of it now after we, I don't know, washed it 3 times. What's crazy is out here on the farm, the water, like it didn't even water spot. Yeah, just kidding. It's not bad. But like in the grand scheme of things, I think it's pretty nice considering it's just been parked in a garage, in a shop, in a barn, and kind of waiting its turn in the list. Like, just look at this. Look at all the like neighborhood
Time to get
and all the folks. Yeah, fellas, if your handle's a little short, don't worry about it. It's an easy one-hand operation at that point. Wait, did that actually came out of my mouth out loud, didn't it? Dang it, Jimmy. All the time. Weird stuff. Yeah, I don't know. This might be more for somebody that's like
Ashley,
5'7" or something.
5 foot.
5 foot. Yeah, like 5 foot. 5'1", 4'9". Oh, there you go. So, with the proper application of force.
I'll use old shorty. I'm a little vertically challenged.
Well, it's all good. It's all good.
In the hood.
Yeah. Wish my old my shop was this clean. Other than it had the potential to be like this. It does. It's just
Are you filming?
got a lot of tools. Is the red light flashing?
No, I don't know. Yes, it is.
Okay, yeah, it's got a little recording action going. Do a lot of editing here.
Yep.
There we go. Swept, lightly swept floors. Yes. And a repaired broom. That thing is OEM. Best broom ever. So the camera's recording. Maybe about that long. Whoa!